Fred Easy here. Today on this beautiful Sunday, we're going to be replacing the air filter on my Dodge Challenger 6.4 liter Hemi. Alright guys, we're going to be replacing it with a Wix filter, and all you need really is flathead. If you didn't have one for some reason and you had an 8mm socket, that would work too. Alright my dudes, flathead. Okay, we're gonna remove this guy. 1, 2, 3 screws. Then we're gonna loosen up this clamp and this clamp. We're gonna leave the temperature sensor on, and we're gonna use the same flathead to maneuver this guy out of the way. All right. Now, pro tip here, at the end you might want to remove the screws by hand. So what happens is you get the underside of belly pan down there. If you lose this down there, that would suck. Every 3 oil changes, every third one, I change it out. Okay, let's remove those. Loosen up. Clamp. Alright. Let's move this guy out of the way. Boom, Bob's your uncle. Okay. Calm and cool, nice and easy. There you go. Lift it up. Be careful with their temperature sensor. Nice and clean. Take this one out. Right. There you go. Now, this guy, nice and clean. Ooh. Another key point here, you got like some notches over here with some plastic tabs going there. Make sure they set in. Make sure everything sits in properly. Right here, you got the 3 tabs all secure. Got these guys lined up. These guys lined up. 3 screws. In by hand. Flathead. Nice and easy. That's good. That's good. Clamps. You can really control the torque on these. Now, last but not least, this guy. Everything's secure. Check your clamps. Check the temperature sensor. Check the screws, check the back end, make sure all the tabs are in, hinging correctly. And there you have it. Nice and simple, guys. Nice and simple one for today. Proper flex. Catch you later.